everyone, welcome back once again to Vedic Mathematics session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the general technique of multiplication part 8. We were discussing the multiplications in part 7, the specific techniques and the general techniques. Today, we will discuss the general technique part 8, and in the previous session, those who have not watched the method of 2-digit multiplied by 2-digit, just click on the I button, you can watch it. And here we have discussed the crisscross method in the previous session that we will follow. Today in multiplication, we will deal about the 3-digit multiplied by a 3-digit number. The same procedure of crisscross method, right? Crisscross method, right? Now here, how many steps are involved in this multiplication we need to know first. In the 2-digit to 2-digit, we had the steps of 3 steps, isn't it? Let me recap. We had this step, the second step we had like this, the third step we had this extreme one. 3 steps. Now how did we get the number of steps? Now how do we get the number of steps in 3-digit multiplied by 3-digit? We will see here the number of steps we get by a simple formula. Okay, how many steps are involved is by getting here for 2-digit. If you see 2-digit plus 2-digit minus 1, that comes to 4 minus 1 is 3. So we got 3 for the 2-digit. The number of steps I am telling. Now here the number of steps here, we will deal with 3-digit multiplied by 3-digit, isn't it? So 3-digit plus 3-digit minus 1 is the formula. So 6 minus 1, that comes to 5. So here I mean to tell that we will be getting 5 steps altogether. Yes. Likewise, any digit, 4-digit into 4-digit like 8 plus 1, 7 steps. So likewise, we can calculate the number of steps in the process. Now, in a 3-digit number, if I take an example of 3, 1, 2, okay, 2, 3, and if you take 4, I want to multiply 3-digit cross 3-digit. Now, how many steps are involved? We got it as 5 steps, isn't it? So 5 steps means, so let me write step 1. We are placing the dots, isn't it? 3 digits into 3 digits. So likewise, we have to place, how many? We have to place 5. 5 number of steps are there. So likewise, just for illustration, when you multiply, no need of keeping the dots. Just go on with the process, okay? Now, likewise, we will take again 3 digits. In the 4th step, again 6 dots here. Again for 5th step, only we have 5 steps here. See here, 5 steps here. Because it is 3 multiplied by 3. So here, in this process, just listen the process. Then you can follow multiply any 3-digit into 3-digit. Now, first we had, in this also we had taken the extreme left. So that means we are multiplying this extreme left, right? Isn't it? Now, in the second one, you have to crisscross. This is the crisscross method, crisscross. First and second and first, like this. Now, the third step is important. We have to multiply the extremes here. Extremes and the center one here. Multiplying all the 3 and adding them. Even here we are multiplying and in between we add. Here first multiplying the extremes and the center one. So adding all the 3. Now coming to this part. This part is over, here over, then this part. The last one is this. This is as simple as, the pattern is very, very simple to remember. Just we can see here, if you remember for 2-digit cross 2-digit, this is the pattern. Now this is for 3-digit into 3-digit. So first extreme left, then you crisscross, then the extreme crosses you have to do, then this side, then the last one is extreme right, simply. So the pattern you keep it in mind and multiply, okay? Now let's take the problem here. Let's take using one problem. So let's start using the example here. Here we will be following the pattern. Now we will start, always we start in Vedic mathematics from left to right, 99.9%. So let's start from left to right. The first pattern is we have to multiply this 2, 3, 6. Now I'll place a slash here because we may get double digit numbers. When we get double digit numbers, final answer will we get in the next step by balancing method. So let us in advance keep a slash. Okay, now next we have to do this second one, that means these two. So 3 3s 9 plus 2, 9 plus 2 comes to 11. So this is a double digit number, so keep a slash again and go for the extremes. Now 3 4s 12, 2 2s 4, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 1 into 3 is 3, 19, right? Now coming to the extremes, this part, okay, to the right side, 1 into 4 is 4, 3 2s are 6, that comes to 10. Now the last one, 2 4s is 8, okay. Now we got double digits in between, so we have to do the balancing rule. So 8 and 0 as it is, and 1 will be carried over here, this becomes 20, so 0 here, 2 will be carried over here, this comes to 3 and 1 will be carried over here. The final answer is this, just by simply. Now for illustration I have taken a lot of time to explain, but it will be you will be getting in 2 to 3 seconds the multiplication. Just remember the pattern of the crisscross in your mind and follow from left to right. Quickly pause the video and note it down. Let's see few more examples. Here first 2 3 6, right? Keep a slash in advance. Okay, now do the cross here. 2 2s 4, 3 4s 12, 12 plus 4, it comes to 16 here. Now do the third step, it is extremes. 2 4s 8, 9, 8 plus 9 17, 17 plus 8, 17 plus 8, that comes to 20, 17 plus 8, that comes to 25. So if you don't get to add it in the mind, just write it in rough part if there are big numbers. Okay, for small numbers you can add it in mind. Okay, now the fourth step is extreme here, 16 and 3 2 6, 16 6 22. Okay, here 22. Now 3 4s 12, the last step. Here we will do the balancing here 2, and this will be balanced here, 3, this will be balanced here, 7, this will be balanced here, 8, and this will be balanced here, 7. So this is the final answer. Now let's see one example with 0 also, right here. Now we'll start from left. 8 3s are 24. Now here 8 1s 8, and this comes to 0. 3 into 0 is 0, so just 8. Now here the extremes, 8 5s 40, 6 3s 18. 40 plus 18 is 58 and plus 0, so 58 only. Now this side, 0 into 5 is 0, 6 1 6, so only 6. Now the last one, 6 5s are 30. Okay, in practice you can do it in 3 seconds, right? Now for illustration only I am telling it in a slow way. Okay, here 0 and this will be balanced here, 9, here 8, so nothing is a 0. If you comes here, this is 8, and this will be balanced here, comes to 13. So 3 I write and 1 I'll take it to here. So 8 plus 5 13, here 13, 3 I'll write it, 1 I'll take it here, so this comes to 25. So this is the final answer. Balancing is very simple. Just take one digit, the other one keep on adding to the next number. That's it. Okay. So when 0 comes, it will be very, very easy for us to solve. Okay. Now with this, I hope you have understood the concept of 3-digit multiplied by 3-digit and how many steps you need to take. You just 3-digit plus 3-digit minus 1. So 6 minus 1 is 5 steps. Likewise for 4-digit to 4-digit, also the number of steps you can calculate. Hope you have understood it. Practice with taking few more examples, right? And I'll see you with another technique in a next session. Thank you all.